Hello everyone, welcome to my channel MedTuber. Now let's learn drugs of choice in central nervous system, which has the potential to be asked as a one-liners for NEET PG, AIIMS or JIPMER. Now let's start. Drug of choice in attention deficit hyperactive disorder ADHD is methylphenidate. Drug of choice in amyotrophic lateral sclerosis is riluzole. Drug of choice in Alzheimer's disease is donepezil. Drug of choice in Bell's palsy is prednisolone. Drug of choice in bipolar disorder is lithium. Drug of choice in depression is SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Drug of choice in epilepsies, generalized tonic-clonic seizures, absence seizures and myoclonic seizures is sodium valproate. Drug of choice in partial seizures is carbamazepine. Drug of choice in Lennox-Gastaut syndrome is valproate. Drug of choice in infantile spasm is ACTH. Drug of choice in infantile spasm with tuberous sclerosis is vigabatrin. Drug of choice in Rolandric epilepsy, also known as benign epilepsy of childhood, is carbamazepine. Drug of choice in seizures in pregnancy is magnesium sulfate. Drug of choice in Dravet syndrome, also known as severe myoclonic epilepsy of childhood, is valproate. Drug of choice in West syndrome, also known as infantile spasm plus mental retardation, is ACTH. Drug of choice in status epilepticus is benzodiazepines, lorazepam. Drug of choice in essential tremor is propranolol. Drug of choice in Guillain-Barré syndrome is intravenous immunoglobulins. Drug of choice in headaches, different types of headaches. Cluster headache, it's triptans. Raised CSF pressure headaches, acetazolamide. Paroxysmal hemicrania, indomethacin. Primary cough headache, indomethacin. Hypnic headaches, lithium. Drug of choice in Huntington's chorea is tetrabenazine. Drug of choice in insomnia or Z compounds. For sleep induction it is short-acting zaleplon, and for sleep maintenance long-acting azopiclone. Drug of choice in Z-lag or short-acting Z compounds like zolpidem. Drug of choice in mania. Prophylaxis of mania is lithium, and acute attack of mania is atypical antipsychotics. Drug of choice in migraine. Prophylaxis is propranolol, and acute attack of migraine are triptans. Drug of choice in multiple sclerosis. Acute attack is IV methylprednisolone. In RRM type of multiple sclerosis, interferon beta. In SPMS type, interferon beta. And PRMS type, mitoxantrone. Drug of choice in myasthenia gravis. Diagnosis for myasthenia gravis, it's edrophonium. For the treatment of myasthenia gravis, pyridostigmine. Drug of choice in narcoanalysis is thiopental sodium. Drug of choice in narcolepsy is modafinil. Drug of choice in neuralgia, both glossopharyngeal neuralgia and trigeminal neuralgia, it is carbamazepine. Drug of choice in Parkinson's disease is levodopa. Drug of choice in young onset Parkinson's disease is selegiline. Drug of choice in motor fluctuation of levodopa is pramipexole. Drug of choice in on and off phenomena associated with levodopa is entacapone. Drug of choice in neuroprotection in Parkinson's disease is MAO inhibitors like racesilin and selegiline. Drug of choice in peripheral neuropathy or TCI tricyclic antidepressants like nortriptyline and desipramine, or SNRIs like duloxetine, or GABA releasing agents like gabapentin and pregabalin. Drug of choice in rapid cyclers is valproate. Drug of choice in restless leg syndrome is dopamine agonist pramipexole ropinirole. Drug of choice in schizophrenia is atypical antipsychotic aripiprazole. Drug of choice in suicidal tendency resistant schizophrenia is clozapine. Drug of choice in Tourette syndrome is alpha-2 agonist clonidine or guanfacine. Thank you.